the definition for success differs from person to person. But is there a definition that is universally accepted? Yes, there is. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Nagarjun, independent business consultant, badabusiness.com. I know my worthy ideal and I am progressively realizing it. That is the reason I am here today as the brand ambassador of Bada Test. I want to ask you something. Do you know what is your worthy ideal? And how progressively are you realizing it? If you know the answers for both these questions, here is your chance to validate them. Attend the Bada Test tomorrow, 18 July 2021. You can attend the test anytime before 11:59 p.m. The topics for the test and the link for the test is available in the description box. So please click on the link and attend the test and get your answers validated and know what is the level of your progression and how progressively you are realizing your worthy ideal. In case you want to know more about your worthy ideal and you want to know the level of progression of your worthy ideal, please call on the number appearing on the screen. Thank you.